Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another way through which we can fetch the last data from the table using cursors. So the keyword which we are going to use with cursor is fetch last. So first of all, I will show you the requirement and then we'll see how we are utilizing the same inside sqlrpgle program. So first of all, I'm running one strskill command to open my strskill. Now here I will write one query, select star from Sharmit1, which is my library name, slash emppf1, which is my file name. So here you can see we have data, we have 5 records here, right? 4 records. Now let's say if the requirement is that we want to fetch the last record, only the last record from this table. So how to do this? So to achieve this, we can easily create our sqlrpgle program. Here what we are doing, first of all, we are declaring one constant with 5 times zeros, and this constant we will use to verify the query whether it is executed properly or not. So basically what we will do with this constant, we will match the SQL statement status of SQL statement with this constant. If it is matched, it means query is successful, executed successful. Otherwise the query is not executed successfully. Okay, after that, just for the demo purpose, I am fetching only the first column, means the employee ID for the last record. Okay, so that's why I just declared one variable here. But if your requirement is that you want to fetch entire column or entire row, then you can declare one data structure also as per your need. Okay, but just for the demo purpose, I declared this w underscore id of zone 9. Afterwards, I'm setting the commitment option to star none, and then we are using the main cursor. So to use the cursor, first of all we are declaring it. So to declare the cursor, just write exec sql declare, this is my cursor name, get data, scroll cursor for, and this is the query, select employee id from Sharmit1 slash empppr. So as per your requirement, you can customize this query. Once cursor is declared, then we will open it. So to open the cursor, I am writing this exec sql open get data, where get data is my cursor name, and then we are executing the query to fetch the record from the cursor. So here you can see I am writing exec sql fetch last from get data into w underscore id. So what it will do, it will fetch the last record from the cursor and store it into the host variable w underscore id. In cursor, we are just declaring, we are just fetching only one word here, means only one column here, which is employee id. So it will store the employee id into the host variable w underscore id. Then we are checking for the SQL state. If SQL state is not equal to SQL state underscore valid, then display error occurred and set the WID as 0. But if it is not like if the code does not proceed in this flow, then you can simply print your WID because it is correct. And then we are closing the cursor using exec SQL close get data set star inlar equals to star on. So let's quickly compile this program and call it. So you can see it is printing the value as 90. So if you check the data again, you can see the last record is 90. So whenever there is a need where you want to fetch the last record from the file, then you can use this fetched last. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.